Hello everyone! In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to sell digital products on Shopify, so let's dive right in. First, let's start by adding digital products to your Shopify store. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard and then click on the Products option from the left sidebar. Now, here in Products, click on the Add Product button at the top right corner of the screen. Here you will need to add your digital product details that you want to list on your Shopify store. In the title field, enter your product title. Then, in the description, you will need to provide complete details about your digital product. Also, Shopify has now added AI Generative, which can easily write the description about your products in minutes. So, click on the Generative Text button. Provide the details about your product. Then, you can choose the tone of generative text. After that, click on the Generate button. This will generate the description for your product. Simply click on the Keep button to add the description. Next, in the Media section, you will need to provide media of your product. If you're selling ebooks, you can upload its cover here. To upload the picture, simply click on the Upload button and then choose the desired photo from your computer. This will add your product images. Now, here in the Pricing section, you will need to provide price details of your product. You can add the original price of a product and compare it to the price of this product. Next, you can add other price details, such as cost per item, profit, and margin. Now, in the Inventory section, you can add your product quantity. Also, you can check the Track Quantity option, so it will automatically update the quantity when a product sale occurs. Now, in the Shipping section, uncheck the option. This product is a physical product. In the Variants section, you can provide your product's variants if your product has them. Now, in the Product Organization section, you can provide your product category, product type, vendor, and tags to optimize and clearly describe your product to customers. Once you've entered your product details, simply click on the Save button at the top. This will publish your product to your Shopify store. You can see the preview of the item by clicking on the Preview button. And that's it! We have successfully listed our digital product on our Shopify store. Now customers can purchase your digital products from your Shopify store. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for tutorials. Thanks for watching.